You are watching the Sign Hunters, and we are going from Shrewsbury to Rodney's Pillar. A proper challenge for today. Let's go, let's do it! Yes! So the idea is to cycle up to the top of Rodney's Pillar today. You know, you don't really know it yet. I suffer from panic disorder, so pushing myself out is a real challenge for me. But I always make it, and then I feel happy. Sign Hunters! You are watching the Sign Hunters. You are watching the Sign Hunters. Yes! Yes! Sign Hunters, yes! Sign Hunters! You are watching the Sign Hunters. Yes! You are watching the Sign Hunters. Yes! That's over there is Rodney's Pillar. We are almost there. Rodney's Pillar. Sign Hunters. Enjoy. You are watching the Sign Hunters. I'm gonna try to cycle as far as we can. Yes. This is the quality of the road. But the road is really not suitable for road bike. So I've decided to swap shoes. Ta-ta! It's gonna make things easier. Oh. I tend to support a charity called the British Lung Fundation. The reason that they are my chosen one is because I've also got dodgy lungs. In the last 13 years I've had pneumothorax twice. Pneumothorax is the scientific phrase for collapsed lungs, and that's what I had twice in my life. Oi, Sign Hunters! We are getting to the top of Rodney's Pillar. We made it! Rodney's Pillar, yes! Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Yes! Sign Hunters! Thanks for watching the Sign Hunters. So here is this pub called Rodney's Pillar, and it is currently being refurbished. But I stopped by, and a lovely lady who works there refilled my bottle with fresh water. Thank you very much, appreciate it. You saved my life anyway. Thanks for watching the Sign Hunters. Sign Hunters, yes! Yes! Sign Hunters, yes! Ugh, God damn it. Nettle! Ah!